Disney's Planes very exciting for me. पहली बार मैंने एनिमेशन फिल्म में अपनी आवाज़ दी है एंड गाया है पहली बार प्लेबैक अपने लिए ही, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी. वेल, मैं अपने आप को एक्टर समझती हूँ, तो मुझे जहाँ पे भी फिल्में मिल जाएं, पंजाबी में मिल जाएं, तेलुगु में मिल जाएं, हिंदी में मिल जाएं, इंग्लिश में मिल जाएं, कोई भी करने को तैयार हूँ, as long as it's a character that I like. You know, the reason why I was a little apprehensive about this was exactly this reason. She's my family and she's my sister, and I think it's very cheap when people will try and use that for some sort of creating some sort of interesting controversy so you can write a little bit more about it. The way I see it, it's a Chopra weekend and go and enjoy the movies.
Priyanka Chopra attended a press conference where she spoke about voicing for the character Ishani in Disney's latest animated film Planes at a multiplex in Mumbai. Take a look.
Disney's Planes very exciting for me. पहली बार मैंने एनिमेशन फिल्म में अपनी आवाज़ दी है एंड गाया है पहली बार प्लेबैक अपने लिए ही, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी. इट्स अ वेरी क्यूट मूवी, इट्स अ वेरी सुपर क्यूट मूवी और इंटरनेशनली रिलीज हो चुकी है फिल्म एंड इट्स डन रियली वेल, सो दैट्स एक्साइटिंग. एंड मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि इंडिया में भी इसको शेयर कर सकूँ. फ्राइडे को रिलीज़ हो रही है, मेरे लिए एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल डे है फ्राइडे 23rd, मेरे डैड का बर्थडे है, सो that's also very exciting. So Disney's Planes, it's a very cute movie अपनी family और friends के साथ, बच्चों के साथ definitely देखने जाएं. Well, every little girl wants to be a Disney princess, you know, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella. I wanted to be a Disney fairy, Tinkerbell, and in my head I am Tinkerbell. So yeah, flying this is the closest I could come to being a Disney princess, I guess. Ishani. She's a sexy Pan-Asian plane. So when Disney came to me with the film, this was about 3 years ago, I thought it was a really cute idea, very excited, and I went and did it. It took just a couple of hours. Clay is the director, and him and I got along really well. I never thought what I would feel when I saw it, because when I saw the movie the first time, it was really weird for me to see a plane talking in my voice. But after a few scenes, of course, I got used to it. But the first time when I was doing it, they videotaped me. So Ishani has all my expressions, you know, like I'm very animated, I open my eyes and I talk. And, you know, so she has all of these expressions. So all that was really creatively very different for me. So it's a very exciting venture for me. It's something different. It's something novel, something I haven't done, not too many people have done. So it's exciting. Well, my other 2 songs are part of my album. My album, of course, has about 12 songs in it approximately, and वो अलग project है completely. And इसमें ये पहला मेरा, I guess this was my first playback. I would love to sing in a Hindi film, and I hope कि कोई ऐसा गाना आए, एक interesting idea आए जिसको मैं गा सकूँ. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Well, मैं अपने आप को actor समझती हूँ, तो मुझे जहाँ पे भी फिल्में मिल जाएं, पंजाबी में मिल जाएं, तेलुगु में मिल जाएं, हिंदी में मिल जाएं, इंग्लिश में मिल जाएं, कोई भी करने को तैयार हूँ, as long as it's a character that I like. You know, सब मुझसे ये पूछते हैं कि क्या ये बॉलीवुड टू हॉलीवुड है, क्या ये क्रॉसओवर है, क्या मैं क्रॉसओवर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड मेरे लिए ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. मैं एक परफॉर्मर हूँ, एक एंटरटेनर हूँ, मैं वहीं जाती हूँ जहाँ मुझे काम ले जाता है. तो मेरे लिए एक एक्सपेंशन है. हर इंसान ग्रो करना चाहता है. एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क वेर एवर आई कैन. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ से वहाँ जा रही हूँ या वहाँ से यहाँ आ रही हूँ. अभी मैं अपने लिए 2 करियर्स हैंडल कर रही हूँ एंड बहुत सारा काम कर रही हूँ, एंड आई थिंक इट्स एक्साइटिंग लाइक दैट. दैट वाज वेरी फ्लैटरिंग. इट वाज माय फर्स्ट हॉलीवुड प्रीमियर एंड उसमें टू गेट बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड वाज दैट वाज कूल. एंड आई थिंक the theme was aviator chic, and I thought it was very cool to go to a Disney premiere not wearing a gown, you know, वही तैयार होकर जाओ. So I thought it would be cool to, you know, go like a pilot, my version of, you know, like a really cool female pilot. So I was excited about that. That was really fun. You know, the reason why I was a little apprehensive about this was exactly this reason. She's my family and she's my sister. and I think it's very cheap when people will try and use that for some sort of creating, some sort of interesting controversy so you can write a little bit more about it. The way I see it, it's a Chopra weekend and go and enjoy the movies. The promotion of Exotic and Planes, because they both released almost together. So we had a lot of promo that we did for Planes and of course the premiere. And then we had to do a lot of promo for Exotic as well because it's just released. So now, it's starting to get played in the clubs and, radio is picking it up. And that's going to be a big journey. So I'm going back again soon to do a little bit more of that. This was Clay's idea, the director. He just suddenly came up with the idea and said, मैं चाहता हूँ कि suddenly when a journalist asks her an irritating question, she breaks into this big Bollywood song and वो journalist के मुंह पे साड़ी rap हो जाती है और वो एकदम चुप हो जाता है. So I thought it was very cute. And I like the fact that Ishani बहुत हाजिर जवाबी करती है. And उसका अपना तरीका है हाजिर जवाबी करने का. And so that's what I liked about it.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.